Hello viewers and welcome back. Today I got here my 2022 CB500X and I'm going to show you the first 5 mods that I've done so far. Here we go. The first thing I had to do to the bike was get rid of those street oriented tires. I ripped them off right away and put on a set of the Midas EO 7 Plus tires. As you can see, these tires are a lot more dirt oriented and they're going to be perfect for the kind of riding I like to do. I have watched quite a few other YouTubers review these tires and everyone says they work great in the dirt. I live in an area that's surrounded by old wagon roads, logging roads, and great places to go explore. So I can't wait to get out there this summer and put these tires to the test. The rubber compound on these tires is a little bit hard, and that's okay. I have heard one guy tell me he got about 30,000 kilometers on a rear tire. And that's amazing. I have heard a few people complain about these tires on the blacktop and say they can get a little bit slippery, but that's okay. I'm not a big street rider anyways. I'd rather get out there, get on the dirt, and do some exploring. I've only managed to put about 500 kilometers on the tires so far. It's still pretty cold out around here, and I have been riding through some rain, but I have to say, I'm very impressed with these tires so far. If you've tried a set of the Midas EO 7 Pluses on your bike before, let me know what you think. Drop a comment down below. The second mod that I put on was the Rally Raid bash plate. This is the only real bash plate offered on the market. There is one from CB500X, but it's more of a splash guard than an actual skid plate or bash plate. This skid plate from Rally Raid is very well made and it will support the weight of the bike. It connects here to the frame and underneath through the center stand mount. And that's one of the only downsides to this bash plate. You cannot put a center stand on it. It also puts some protection on the sides here to protect the side of your motor if you do happen to tip over or slide out. This skid plate gives a lot of protection to the bottom of your bike and motor, which is really needed because it has nothing from the factory. This bash plate is available on the Rally Raid website. I will include a link in the description below, and no, I am not affiliated in any way. I just really like this product. The third thing I did was throw on this Scorpion exhaust pipe. It also came from the Rally Raid website. The stock exhaust that comes on this bike really feels kind of clogged up or corked, and the Rally Raid website says this pipe will give you an extra 1 horse, and you can really feel it. It also sounds great, not too loud, not annoying at all, just the perfect amount of noise. When choosing a pipe, I like to have one that's not too loud and doesn't require any fuel tuning. This pipe slipped right on, nice and easy, and runs great with the stock fuel mapping. The next thing I did was add on these billet aluminum foot peg plates here. I got them off of eBay. They only cost me about 25 bucks and they arrived very quickly. I haven't been able to get out and do a lot of off-road riding yet, but that's okay because I can definitely tell they are a lot more comfortable to stand on, provide a lot better support, and I can't wait to get out and put them to the test. If you own one of these bikes, you already know they lean very hard on the kickstand, and the stock kickstand pad is very small. If you put it on any kind of soft ground, boom, there goes your bike. So I put on the R&G kickstand pad. I got this kickstand pad off the Rally Raid website as well. And now I can go adventuring and leave my bike on the stand no matter where I am, what kind of ground I'm on, and feel safe that it's not going to fall over. I might also throw on a set of crash bars. I have been thinking about getting the CB500X, or if you think I should try a different kind, let me know in the comments below. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button or click up here to check out the next video. This has been my first 5 mods on the Honda CB500X. Ride safe.